Yo, what up, y'all? It's Latrell, and y'all asked for it, so y'all got it. So this is the Galaxy S7 Edge, Android 7.0 versus Android 8.0. So let's do it. So first off, we're gonna start off with the regular boot test. So we're gonna see which one turns on faster. So let's go ahead and do that. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, the phone almost fell. We gotta start that over, I guess. How does that even happen, bro? I don't even know. All right, we gonna restart this. All right, so my dumb self gonna try this again. Let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. And now it didn't actually fall out my hand, but we're gonna see which turns on faster. And yep, Android 8.0 turned on faster. Cool. And this turned on like 5 seconds later. So guys, let's just go ahead and do the video. Let's see what we can do first. Alright, so here's the plan. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up some apps and see which apps open up faster, like Samsung Huff or something like that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these just like sit here for a little bit, you know, get all the apps and notifications and all that there, so it's not slowed down right now. And I'm gonna just let everything settle and all that, but I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so we got the apps right here, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and open in this video. I also got some games I'm gonna try too, but the first thing I'm gonna open is the camera. So let's do it in 3, 2, 1. And Android 8.0 won that. That's pretty interesting. Next up is Instagram. So let's go ahead and do that in 3, 2, 1. And Android, no. Hold on, okay, yeah. Android 7.0 won that, so cool. Next up is Gmail, so let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. And Android 7.0 won that. Next up is going to be Galaxy app, so let's go ahead and do that in 3, 2, 1. And Android 7.0 won that again. And wait, hold on. Okay, I think it was still Android 7.0. Okay, cool. Next up is YouTube Studio. Let's go and do it at 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think it was Android 8.0. Wow, really thought it was gonna be this, but I guess not. Okay, so let's go ahead and do Play Store. 3, 2, 1. Wow. And Android 7.0 won that. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some games here. So let's go ahead and just get to the game launcher. Alright, Bloons Tower Defense 5. How y'all feeling about that? Let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Android 8.0 won that. And guys, that was pretty much it. So I just wanted to do a short little video like that. If you want to see more like that, then just let me know in the comments, like which is faster or something like that. I don't know, but yeah guys, just let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.